Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Rai Pangur and I am student of Blissung Academy, batch 21. Today I will be discussing a crucial component of any clinical trial, the Clinical Data Management Plan (CDMP). In the world of clinical research, where data accuracy, integrity, and compliance are paramount, a well-structured data management plan ensures that all the collected data is reliable, properly handled, and aligned with the regulatory standards. The CDMP outlines the processes, tools, and responsibilities for managing clinical trial data from its collections to its final storage and analysis. Let's dive deeper into what a CDMP entails and why it's vital for the success of clinical trials. A clinical data management plan is a detailed document that guides all the data management processes of a clinical trial. It provides a structured approach to handle data throughout the entire life cycle of the trial, ensuring that all the data collected is accurate, complete, and compliant with regulatory standards, such as good clinical practices and the International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceutical for Human Use ICH guidelines. The primary objective of the clinical data management plan is to be define how the data will be collected, processed, stored, and analyzed during the trial. This ensures that the final dataset is reliable and suitable for statistical analysis, which is critical for making informed decisions regarding the safety and efficiency of the investigational product. A well-documented CDMP also allows for consistency and transparency, minimizing the risk of errors and ensuring that the trial meets regulatory requirements. The first section of the CDMP outlines the data collection methods that will be used in the trial. This includes specifying whether the data will be collected using proper case report forms or electronic data capture EDC system. In the modern clinical trials, EDC systems are often preferred because they provide real-time access to data, reduce manual errors, and streamline the overall data entry processes. The plan must also detail the specific field and variables that will be captured, ensuring consistency in the data entry across all study sites. Next, the data CDMP addresses data validation and quality control procedures. These sections outline the steps that will be taken to ensure that the data collected is accurate, complete, and free from inconsistencies. Validation checks may include range checks, consistency checks, and cross-validation with other data sources. Additionally, the data plan should describe how missing or incomplete data will be handled as well as processed for querying sites to resolve data discrepancies. A solid quality control framework is essential for ensuring the integrity of the dataset and maintaining compliance with regulatory standards. Data storage and security are also critical component of the CDMP plan. Specify where and how data will be stored, both during the trials. Data for electronic data and involves defining the database and servers where the data will be housed, as well as outlining security measures such as encryption and access controls to protect the confidentiality of patient information for the paper-based trials. The plan should describe the process for secure storage, eventual digitization of the data, ensuring data security, and maintaining patient privacy are fundamental responsibilities of any clinical trial team. Another important section of CDMP focuses on the data review and monitoring throughout the trials. Regular data review are conducted to ensure that the data remains accurate and that any issues are identified and resolved in a timely manner. Thank you for listening. This is all about CDMP.